Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Coinbase card at an ATM. First, make sure your Coinbase card is activated and linked to your crypto balance. You'll need to have funds available in your Coinbase account to cover your withdrawal. Next, find an ATM that accepts Visa debit cards, as the Coinbase card operates on the Visa network. It's a straightforward process, similar to using any other debit card. Once at the ATM, insert your Coinbase card just like any other debit card. The machine will then prompt you to enter your 4-digit PIN. After successfully entering your PIN, select the Withdrawal option from the menu. You'll then be asked to choose the amount of cash you wish to withdraw. Remember to confirm the transaction details before proceeding. It's important to be aware of the fees involved. Coinbase charges a 2.49% transaction fee for ATM withdrawals. Additionally, the ATM operator might impose their own separate fee, so always check for on-screen notifications. Daily withdrawal limits typically range up to $1,000, but this can vary. Always review the terms for the most current information. For a smooth experience, always be mindful of your surroundings when using an ATM. Keep your PIN confidential and never share it with anyone. If you encounter any issues, contact Coinbase support immediately. And speaking of money, if you're looking to truly change how you think about your finances, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. It's a great resource for financial wisdom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.